Alright, bro, what's that?
What's what?
That you just threw in here.
What's what word?
I got you on camera, bro.
I got you on camera. We're all good. Hey, bro, you just threw that in here. Yeah. I'm on the way out, okay, bud? All right, thank you. All right, we're gonna step this way. All right, just keep your hands where I can see them, all right, bud? All right, you got any weapons out here, anything like that? Mind if I pat you on for weapons? Huh? I can pat you on for weapons. All right, put your hands behind your back for me. All right. Here, do you mind just popping your hands like this? There you go. There you go. No weapon.
I gotta get for the handcuffs.
No, I'm not putting handcuffs. No weapons or anything like that on you. Mind if I just search you and everything?
Why would you want to search me?
Just search you, make sure you don't have any weapons on you. You good with that? Is that a yes? All right. What's this?
The charger.
Huh? What's the bags?
This jacket.
All right, if you go hold that for me.
Can I get it back?
What was in the bags, man? Huh? Nothing? I'm gonna switch it down here. You mind just getting that arm for me? Mind just relaxing your arm for me, bud? How much money you got in here? Approximately.
Oh no.
Like maybe we're talking
Probably like 70.
$70. Can we have one step forward for me? Alright, at this point in time, just relax for me, bud. Put your handcuffs for right now, alright?
Grab this so you don't drop it, just so it doesn't get broken.
How about you stay looking forward for me, man?
I got specks of green, you're good to search if you need to. Corner cut. What's what? What's what word?
I got you on camera, bro.
I got you on camera. We're all good.
Hey, bro, you just threw that in here.
Yeah, because it was in his pocket, and I don't want to hold on to it. That's on their body cam that they took it off of him. So
You just threw that in here, bro. I got you on camera, man.
I'm telling you where it came from. So
I got you on camera, bro.
it's an empty baggie at the moment too. So okay, buddy.